you the way to upgrading for the starting logo and change the dashboard picture. Plug a USB to your computer and then format in FAT32. You can check and then click start. Okay. So first we will these two. My logo. This is the zipped file we directly send to you, and then you copy to the USB flash. Okay. Open it. Okay, inside, and the size correct. So we take this USB flash out and then go to our testing platform. So we turn on the screen on the platform and then keep waiting. Okay, you can check here in the dashboard like this, 3 color, and the starting logo we show you. Click setting, factory, enter the code, and here this side has the logo. You can check only 3. So we import. First we will plug the USB to the port. Okay, you can check. It's rated. Moment. Click here, find the ES file explorer, find the USB. You can check here. This is no problems, no worry. Check here. This is my logo. Okay. Go click setting, factory. The code is 190627. And then find the boot logo, click import, click OK. No logo file. And I just test here. If you directly click the boot logo, it will show no log file. But if you reset and then click again, it will say imported successfully, and then screen flash. Okay, we turn off. Go to the setting to check again. See here? Sorry, here. You can check here. We choose benz to start the test. Restart again. So if you have the same situation, shows no file, first check if the format for the my logo confirm is the zip file, and then make sure you did turn off the screen and then turn on, means restart the screen, and then click the import. You see, benz here. So that's the my logo for the starting logo. Next we will show the dashboard, the 3 color dashboard. We change to 7. So screen will let it be, and we take the USB flash and then go to the PC. So we come to the PC again, and the USB flash and check. We go back and format it. Still same FAT32 here. Okay. Choose format. Yes. Okay. And then we check the OEM. First unzip it This is the OEM. We copy, we send to the USB. Okay, it's very small. You can check here. So we disconnect the USB and go to the PC, go to the screen again. And we can see, check again here, the dashboard, like this. 3 color. Okay. We plug to here. Okay. And then we restart to check. See, import config successful. We go check. You can check. Changed. So that's it. If you have the same situation, cannot upgrading for this model, first check the system information. Here has FFY, if bought from us, then can get the OEM folder and the ZIP mylogo from us, and then do upgrade. So that's all.